Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today I came with a very easy and simple recipe. So let's try this gorgeous looking 2-layer milk peda. A simple and easy recipe with milk powder. So let's start by heating 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Once the ghee is completely melted, add in around 2 tablespoons of milk. Just give it a mix and add in 2 cups of milk powder. Stir it. Now gradually add in some more milk and mix it. So total in between 1/4 to half a cup of milk I have added. Now mix it and break all the lumps. Once the mixture becomes slightly thick, add around 1 cup of powdered sugar, and when you add sugar into something hot, the sugar will start melting. So now our mixture will become more loose. You have to cook this on a low to medium heat and stir it continuously to avoid burning. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes for the mixture to thicken. Add some cardamom powder in between for the beautiful flavor. This is the first stage where our mixture is thick, and this is the second stage where it is more thick. And this is the third stage where it becomes the perfect consistency. Now transfer half of it into a greased plate and spread it a bit so that it will cool down fast. Now into the other half, add in around 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Here I have used dark cocoa powder, but you can use the normal one, it will work just perfectly fine. Now mix it up to incorporate all the cocoa powder into the dough. Now roll both white and the chocolate layer on a parchment paper and place the white layer on top of the chocolate layer and slightly roll it so that it will stick together. Now take a ruler and mark vertical lines and cut down into strips. Now again with the help of the ruler, mark diamond shapes and cut it. Our beautiful 2-layer peda is ready. If you want, you can garnish it with some chopped nuts. This super easy peda is made with very few ingredients. So definitely try this out at home and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.